This dude just said that the rain stopped, but Hurricane Matthew is still going on.
Nah, bro, I said it stopped.
No, no,
it's less now.
no. Alright, so you can barely see it, but there's Invisalign in that napkin. My boy, legit, we're at Burger King. He puts the Invisalign inside of the tray. We throw that shit out. Hey, look, it's Rivera. We throw that shit out, and then he finds out that he lost them, so we have to go back, dig that shit out of the trash, and now we got his Invisalign. So now it's time to.
You left it in the trash?
Now it's time to furiously wash them. Go! Oh my god.
God damn it, yeah, you need that chest cam. God damn it! Oh, my foot. Oh! Yeah, watch this move, Alex.
Oh my god.
Cookies. Oh, cookies. Why do you keep getting cookies, you weirdo?
Who's cookies? When you give them out as a cookie.
No way.
That tickles.
What? Yeah, this dude's sus. This dude's sus. Get away. Get away.
Alex, watch the door. You know how to lie.
This dude's so sus. Yo, this dude looked like he about to rob a bank.
Nigga, I'm Pablo Escobar's nephew. You fucking...
Pablo Escobar's nephew, huh?
Yes. Do you know who I am?
No, not really.
Do you know who I am?
This dude's getting so close.
Oh, I like that.
Yo, Jay. Alright, so me and the boys about to go out. We got revenge. Oh, shit. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, dude, where'd he go?
Nigga, I see his eyes.
Where? It's a cloud. Yo, there is a cop, bro. I repeat, a cop is going down the street right now, bro. Look at this shit. It's not safe in these streets. Yo, it's the Walking Dead. It's the Walking Dead guy. Oh, kill him. Hit the house, bro. Hit something, bro. Yeah.
That fucking noise.
Bro, those sirens hella loud.
It's going that way.
Yeah, it's going down River Road. Yo, these streets be looking mad sketchy at night. Oh, yo, it's a clown. Yo, clown. Yo, we freaking hella paranoid, bro. Rivera, you wanna tell the viewers why we're running away from these cars?
Cause it might be cops.
No, that's not the reason.
Oh,
so
yeah,
you see,
also paintball.
the seniors are in cars, and they got paintball guns, so it's pretty much Chop City if they find us. That is a cop, bro.
I can see the black and white. Yo, let's go.
That's a cop. Alright, we're going this way. Dude, screw that. Bro, what even is this, man? What is that? This house ain't playing around. They be having faces.
How you wanna do it?
What the? Go. Yo! This dude dead looked through the window, said, "Get out of here, kid." Oh. Bro,
I don't like that house.
some dude just turned on a chainsaw, bro. I'm done, man. I'm done. Where the hell did Rivera and Camilla go? Where'd they go? This house got crazy decorations, bro. Those are like, that's like the most decorated house. Yo! Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro. Yo, what the fuck?
I fucking told you.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, you got us, bro. Shit. This dude just gave me a heart attack. I got that in the vlog. I told you.
We heard that shit before.
I was just scared of the fucking chainsaw. I ran because you guys ran.
Bro. Hey, we got Mateo in the back.
Hey.
All right, so that was a crazy night. I'd say the craziest part was the chainsaw. That's the part where I was most scared of for my life.
Oh, well, yeah, I was scared down the chainsaw, but the adrenaline rush.
Oh my god. Oh, the garage door, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next year.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Gary's page, bro.
Exactly, bro. We're gonna fuck shit up next year. Just wait on it.